Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Today I'm going to go over my small pinch bottom traveler collection, and also there is a giveaway, so definitely stay tuned because you don't want to miss this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, hit the notification bell right next to that so you don't miss any of my future content, and hit the like button for this video if you want to see more content like it. Okay, you guys, so let's kind of go over the small pinch bottom traveler. You guys know that I first got it in a Basque black, and I'll put a picture here of me wearing it, and I got it on Treat, which is the pre-loved website essentially for Rough Tumble. I'll link it down below. But this Basque black is just so good. It's got some good structure to it. It holds quite a bit more than I thought it would, and overall it's just a really good grab and go weekend bag. And this one actually just comes with SX lining, which is just kind of boring, but I will show you the interior and give you the weight and all of that of each of these. The next one then, because I had a black one, I was like, well, obviously I needed it in brown, and one of my good friends selling hers in Selkie, which is my absolute favorite brown leather. They're called Mont Blanc leathers, and I love it. And it has this awesome horizon interior, so it's not just that boring plain from the factory. They're not a factory, but from the factory lining. And so then I was like, they came out with a leather called moss, and I just kept I want something in the moss leather. It's just so beautiful. You guys have seen it in one video before, but I didn't go over any of the characters or measurements or anything, and this is moss, and so I got that in that, and so pretty. And again, it's got this great, it's called Wild Flora lining, and so it's not just that boring interior, which I really prefer not to have just the boring factory interior, but sometimes that's just how they come. And then I saw that they had this small pinch bottom traveler for sale on the website, and it's a reddish brown. Let me hold it up against the Selkie so you can see it definitely has more red to it, a more orange red undertone. I just love the earth tones that all of these have. And again, it comes with a good lining, and it's called Purr, P-I-R-R. And this one is called Redwood Denim. And I think it has I think this is vintage brown pull or maybe mahogany. I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up and put that across here. But overall, I'm just really ecstatic with this collection. These are, like I said, just easy to carry purses. I can put the video of me opening this one up here, or maybe I already have, because I don't know, they're just such a fun little, and the other thing is I think that they work so beautifully as a pouch. So you kind of get a 2-for-1 in these, because you can carry it as a whole purse, or you can carry it just as a pouch inside of a larger purse, so inside of a tote or whatever. So I just think you just get your bang for your buck on these. Let me show you the measurements of them, because I mean they're all the same, but it's always hard to do this. Let me turn this way. It's about 9.5 inches across there, about 6 inches tall, and just 1 inch on the depth. But this thing kind of stretches out. I don't want to say stretches out to hold because it doesn't stretch out like the leather stretches out, but it definitely expands a little bit and gives you a little bit more room. I will absolutely show you the weight of each of these, because every leather can vary in the weight of it. So I will definitely show you the weight of each of those, and I'll show you what fits. The same thing fits in all of them, so I'm only going to show you what fits in one of them. But I just thought that they're just such an easy carry, truly easy carry. I did figure something out, and this is really interesting. So I already had where did I put it? Oh, for the micro adjustable strap, it comes with a micro strap, but it is non-adjustable. Well, I had a micro adjustable strap already, which means that I can adjust it. And I thought, because of my travelers, which are the bigger purse, I thought I had to have the micro adjustable strap. Turns out, because of the size difference between this and the traveler, which I'll grab one of those in just a second, I am 5'3" and I don't need an adjustable strap. So this one has an adjustable, this one has a non-adjustable, and that's what it came with. I think it is mahogany. So it's a non-adjustable micro strap. Same for the Selkie, but I had a vintage brown that I already had that was adjustable. So my brown one has an adjustable. And my moss one came with a non-adjustable, and that's the one I figured out that, oh my gosh, I don't need adjustable, which is exciting because it saves me a little money. I don't have to buy adjustable. The good thing is on buy, sell, trade, what I would do is I would get the purse, I would take the non-adjustable micro strap and sell it on there, and I wouldn't get, you know, as much as a adjustable micro strap is, but it was a good chunk, usually $40 or $50 towards me purchasing a micro adjustable strap, which is like $88, I think. So a good portion of that was covered by me selling the non-adjustable straps. So that was good. However, I did keep some of my non-adjustable straps because they do still work really well. And like I said, now I've learned that I don't actually need them for the smaller ones. For size comparison, that's a Traveler, a full-size Traveler against the small pinch bottom Traveler. They used to have a bag called Pinch Bottom Traveler, and they no longer make those. Will they bring them back at some point? Maybe. You might still be able to custom. If you call in, you might be able to custom one. I had one in a wolf color. I had since realized that I don't typically carry gray color anything. So I sold that, but I would not be against getting a pinch bottom Traveler again. That carried so much. So you can see that like the Traveler is quite a bit different. And the reason that I needed an adjustable strap for the Traveler is because it hangs so much taller. So I needed to be able to pull it up a little bit so that the bottom of the bag didn't hit me at like a funky angle, if that makes sense. But these are so small, they work perfectly on a non-adjustable strap.
So with that,
I am doing a giveaway, and I am so excited for this giveaway because it's a whole purse that I'm giving away. It is the small pinch bottom Traveler in goldenrod, and I am not going to show you the inside because it has a sneak peek lining, and that sneak peek lining is something. It's good. It's really good. I think it's really pretty with it. I will share the interior on it once a winner is chosen. But yes, I'm giving away this small pinch bottom Traveler. They did not give me this. I purchased this with my own money. So here are the stipulations of this giveaway.
Okay, you guys, these are the rules, regulations, stipulations for entering to win the small pinch bottom Traveler and goldenrod with sneak peek lining giveaway. First, this is going to be valid for US residents only. For this giveaway, hopefully in the future, I can do some that are open to a more broad range, but for now, US only. Entries for this giveaway will begin July 13th when this video goes live and will continue until August 3rd, 11:59 p.m. and a winner will be announced on August 4th. The winner will be drawn by an online randomizer. If your name is drawn and you have not met all the requirements that I'm about to list, I will redraw. I'm sorry. Please go and do all of these things so that if your name is drawn, you win. Okay, first and foremost, you have to be subscribed to my channel, obviously. Second, you need to go to the small pinch bottom Traveler giveaway video, which is this video, like that video. Then below in that video, go to the comment section and comment as to what you think the sneak peek lining is, or if you don't know linings, comment a Rough and Tumble purse that you'd like to try in the future. Next, I need you to go over to Instagram and follow me over there. Again, I will link my Instagram down below to make it as easy as possible. And I'd like you to go into the comments of the small pinch bottom Traveler giveaway post. I need you to like that post and comment and tag a friend. That's all you have to do for that comment is just tag a friend in that and make sure you also like that post. That's it. Those are the requirements to be entered into this. So once you've done all of those things, your name will be added to the list to be in the drawing. And I'm super excited about this. So please, please, please go and enter.
So I'm super excited to be doing this because again, like I said, like that is for my own money. I purchased that for you guys to say thank you to you guys who are like consistent watchers of my channel. It really, really helps me out when you like a video, when you comment on it. It really tells the algorithm Everybody's tired of hearing about that, but it does. It tells the algorithm that you like that video and they should push it out to more people. So thank you so much. This is my thank you to you guys. Go and enter it now. I'm super stoked about it. So let me go on to what fits and the weights of each of these leathers. Okay, you guys, we'll do the Traveler for comparison so that you can see the weight difference. So the Traveler is 11.8 inches, and of course that's in the goldenrod. Since the goldenrod is what we're doing as a giveaway, let me go ahead and weigh that one, and that is 8.4 ounces, and that has the strap in it. The Selkie is 9.8 ounces. As you can see, it's a little bit heavier than the goldenrod. Moss is 8 ounces, even a little bit lighter. Basque Black, 7.8 ounces. That one really does feel like the lightest one that I have. And last but not least is the Redwood Denim, 8.2 ounces. So you can see each leather differs a little bit. So as for what fits, so let's do for kicks and giggles, right? Here is my Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition, and that does fit in there. I've never tried that because to me that would be like, I don't really need to carry that on an everyday basis. However, if you were going to carry this as a pouch in your purse, hey, carry your Kindle in it. That's a great idea. So that fits. So normally I will carry like I will put in the things that I need to carry the most, which is of course, my wallet, which is my Kate Spade wallet right now, which is really perfect for this because it's like a micro wallet, so it fits well. I don't always carry in this, but sometimes my card duo that has like gift cards and health cards and whatnot. Of course I need my keys, but what I'll do is I'll actually take my keys off of this and just take the car keys because that's all I really need. I'll just fit those in down the side there. And then I do always take my sunglasses. And so this is where I have to start like finagling stuff and moving them around. I had it fit in here yesterday. There we go. So that fits and that fits. And so I'm just looking for like the most important things because I'm not going to be able to carry as much. So my chapstick, I know I could fit a hand sanitizer in here. Now it's getting a little packed up, right? So there's a hand sanitizer. I prefer to carry the hand sanitizer up and down, but as you can see, like, well, I guess that does fit there in the back like that. Just stand that up there. Look at all of that. And then my bijou carries like my loose change and my AirPods. So what I do was just pull this out and put my AirPods right down on there. And there you go. That's an easy, everyday, like weekend carry. I don't like the way that's sitting like that. So that all fits, which is awesome. But I don't like the way when I close it that is like sticking out here. Can you see that? I don't like that. I mean, it's fine and it would carry fine, but honestly, I would probably just take this out and carry just this stuff and it's fine. Well, see, the chapstick still pooches out. So I guess that's just how it's gonna be. But like these are my most important things that I carry, which is my wallet, my card duo, which has all that stuff in it, like I said, my AirPods, keys, chapstick, hand sanitizer is not that important to me, honestly, and then my sunglasses, and those are my Ray-Ban foldable sunglasses, and look at how well that fits. So let's go ahead and get the weight of this packed up. 1 pound, 7 ounces. Okay, if I have not convinced you that you need one of these, I don't know what I can do to convince you of that. So right now when this video goes up, like as I'm filming it, my 10% off code is live, but it will have ended by the time this video is up. However, I will reach out to them and ask them if they can extend it to go longer. So you guys can maybe save 10% to go try one of these. These are so well priced. They're under $150, so I just think they're so great. But don't forget to enter the giveaway, the drawing for this goldenrod small PBT. I think that's amazing, so go enter and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.